Welcome to Basics of Forex, Part 6. Today we are going to go over a brief overview of fundamental analysis. First, let's go over a quick definition of what exactly is fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis refers to the analysis of economic, social, and political factors that affect the current and future value of an asset. Essentially, these are factors that affect the supply and demand of an asset. There are about 3 different types of fundamentals, and everything that we read about falls into one of these 3 categories of macroeconomics, microeconomics, or geopolitics. Let's break them down. Macroeconomic fundamentals often include things like interest rates, monetary policies, inflation data, GDP, employment, and more alike data that reflect the overall health of an economy and country. Microeconomics are one level lower than macroeconomics in that these fundamentals relate to retail sales, manufacturing data, services data, home sales, business climate, and any other data that is a reflection of sectors within the economy, and when put together, they make up macroeconomics. Finally, the third category is geopolitics, which include but are not limited to political events, stability or instability of the government, natural disasters that destroy infrastructure in a country and slow down the economic growth, and wars. This is reflective of a country's economic stability and affects the output of a nation. So where exactly do you find these fundamentals? There are numerous sites that you can visit that would give you all this news, but some sources that I use are Forex Factory, FX Street, Trading Economics, Forex Live, and Bloomberg, along with government data sites such as FRED. The key takeaway here is that fundamental analysis is an important aspect of any and all financial markets, and is the driver of technical analysis along with market sentiment analysis. So it's very crucial to have some sort of basic understanding of the 3 different types of fundamentals and how they affect varying assets that you may trade.